Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. I'm going to make another border. If you are seeking any border for your project, then this video is for you. So let's start. Take the yarn, and if your project is in circle or square or any of your shape, you can use this on your project. So we have to take the yarn and we have to make chain 3, 4 double crochet in the same chain space or same chain. Now chain 3, 4 double crochet in same chain. I'm making here the corner as it is a square. If you have a circle, so there is no need to make a corner point here. After making 4 chains, 4 double crochet, we have to make 2 chains, single crochet in chain space, chain 2, 7 double crochet in next chain space, or if you don't have chain spaces, you have to just skip 2 chains or 3 chains at the bottom and do this procedure in the 4th chain. As you can see, chain 2, single crochet in next chain space. Now again 7 double crochet in next chain space, so here's a very simple and easy procedure for the border. Here, if you want to create a simple border on the edges of your project, then this video is for you. And make sure to like my video. Please do subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please share it with your friends and family members who want to learn crochet. There are so many videos on my channel for the beginners as well. So stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you so much.